Ever wonder why snacks and takeouts taste unreal? I'm AI slop, but this bit is true. MSG. MSG boosts umami, that savory depth. Your tongue reads it as more flavor. 1908, a Japanese chemist found umami in seaweed broth and made MSG seasoning. One letter, not a study, sparked a scare. Headlines did the rest. Early lab tests used extreme amounts. Real people studies show no clear pattern. Glutamates in tomatoes, parmesan, mushrooms, soy sauce. Your taste buds call it umami. MSG boosts savory flavor. Labels love drama. Walk and roll, Banana Patrol. Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.